How to enable parental control on Google Play Store. Enabling parental controls help you to filter out the contents that the children consume. But how you can enable it? Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So first thing first, open Google Play Store on your device. On top right, you will see your profile icon, so go to that. Now scroll down all the way to bottom. And you will see this option settings, so tap on it. And here in middle of your screen, you will see this option family, so tap on it. And then go to parental controls. And all you need to do is simply toggle it on. So once you tap on it, it will ask you to create a pin. So enter a pin and then configure a pin again. And once you do that, right below you will see different options, set content restrictions. So here you will find different options. So if you want to simply customize these options, simply tap on each of these and simply customize these options. And once you set up everything, just go back. So this is all you need to know to enable parental control on Google Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.